Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be a complete tutorial on how to set up and use your Metamask wallet. I will cover everything from creating the wallet, adding different networks, making transactions, and also go over some important settings. If you have some experience with Metamask before, you can feel free to use the timestamps down below. With that said, let's jump into the first section. So first of all, you need to go to metamask.io. I will leave a link in the description down below, and then you should land on this page. So after that, we simply press on the download button in the middle of the screen. And now you will have to choose where you want to install your Metamask. As you can see, it has support for both iOS and Android devices or as a Chrome extension. You can also see that Metamask supports all these browsers and the setup will be pretty much the same. So we go ahead and press install Metamask for Chrome. Once you're done that, you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store page where you will get the option to add the Metamask as an extension. As you can see on the screen, I'm using the Brave browser. So I just go ahead and press add to Brave and then add extension. After a while, a new tab opens and we just go ahead and press on get started. Now you will get the option to create a new wallet or import an already existing wallet. As we want to create a new wallet, we press on create a wallet. Now we need to agree that Metamask can collect data to improve the usability and user experience. And as you can see, it will never collect any personal information and it will never sell your data for profit. So we press I agree. Next up, we will create a password that you will need every time you use the extension on this device. Remember here that the password is only for getting access to Metamask extension wallet on this device only. If your device gets lost, broken, or if you uninstall the extension, you will need your 12-word recovery seed that we will come to in the next section. So we go ahead and enter a password and agree with the terms and conditions and then press create. Now we're getting to our 12-word recovery phrase, but before we continue, we will watch this video.
Metamask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on Metamask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds. To secure your MetaMask wallet, you'll want to safely save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down, hide it somewhere, put it in a safe deposit box, or use a secure password manager. Some users even engrave their phrase onto a metal plate. Nobody, not even the team at Metamask, can help you recover your wallet if you lose your secret recovery phrase. If you haven't written down your secret recovery phrase and stored it somewhere safe, do it now. We'll wait. And remember, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, not even us. If anyone ever asks you for it, they're trying to scam you. That's it. Now you know what a secret recovery phrase is and how to keep your wallet safe and secure.
So we go ahead and press next. And now we press on the black window in the middle of the screen to reveal the secret words. Remember here to not store this recovery seed on your computer, since as said in the video, it is a master key to your wallet. And if anyone gets these 12 words, they can steal all your funds in your Metamask wallet. So write down all the words and store it in multiple safe places and then press next. Now we need to pick the words in the right order to confirm that the words you've written down is correct. So simply do that and press confirm after. So now we have completed the registration of the wallet. Just press on all down to continue. Now we are ready to dive into your wallet, and I will first go over some general settings that you should be aware of before I show you how to make a transaction. So first of all, you want to click on the icon in the top right corner here, and here you can first see your accounts. So when you start out here, you will see account 1. And if you want to create a new account, you simply press on create account. You can create as many accounts as you want, and you can simply choose your name and create it. And you can also see that you can connect a hardware wallet. I will go into that a little bit later, but for now we want to go to settings. So we start here at general settings, and the only thing you could do here is to change the primary currency to fiat. In this way, it will prioritize to display values in fiat currency instead of Ethereum. You can also change your language here if you want, and also if you want to change the icons and so on. We continue by clicking security and privacy, and the only thing you need to know here is if you in some way lose your 12-word seed phrase, you can reveal it and write it down again. Otherwise, we are going to close this down and we are going right into transactions. So right now you can see that we are on the Ethereum network, which means that we can only receive and send tokens that are ERC20 tokens, which are tokens that operate on the Ethereum blockchain. There are a lot of different networks that you can add to your Metamask. And to do this, we click on the Ethereum Mainnet in the top right corner and then add network. For this example, we will add the Polygon network to our Metamask. I will also leave other common network settings in the description down below for you to check out. So let's get started with the network name. And then we can just write in Polygon Mainnet, and then we jump to new RPC URL and we put in this one, as you can see in the description here down below, and then we put ChainID 137, and the currency symbol we put on Matic, as Polygon's currency symbol is Matic, and block explorer URL. You don't need to fill this out, but it can be good to have. I will show you after, because the block explorer URL is a link to where you can track your transactions, and you can also track other wallets' transactions and see that the transaction went through and so on. So after you save the network, you will now see in the top right corner that we are on the Polygon Mainnet, which means this network's main token is Matic. You can easily switch between the networks if you press up in the top right corner at the Polygon Mainnet here, and then you can choose the Ethereum Mainnet whenever you want. So the next step is to top up your Metamask wallet. To do so, go ahead and press on buy. Once here, you will get two options: to either buy from a third party called Transact, or directly deposit, in this case Matic, to your wallet from another exchange or crypto wallet. If you press continue to Transact, a new window will pop up and you can choose between a SEPA bank transfer or to top up with MasterCard or Visa. Keep in mind though that the fees using Transact is a little bit higher than deposit crypto through other exchanges, for example Crypto.com or Binance. If you want to transfer, in this case Matic, from another wallet, you go ahead and press on View Account. And now you will see a QR code that you can scan or simply copy the wallet address below. Also, don't forget that if you transfer Matic to your Metamask wallet, you need to make sure you send it to the Polygon Chain. If you send it to another chain, you risk losing the money you sent. If you send bigger amounts, I advise you to do a test transaction before with a smaller amount. So as you can see, we now have one Matic in our account, and I will now show you how easy it is to make a transaction. We simply press on send, and then we paste our Matic address. And once again, remember that this Matic transaction needs to go to a wallet that runs on the Polygon Chain. Now, as you can see, we are trying to send one Matic, and it says we don't have enough funds to do that. The reason for that is that with Metamask you have full control of your wallet and no third party helps you with the transaction. Therefore, it is a small fee for the miners that makes the transaction. So if we instead press on max here, we can see that the fee is very low. After that, we go ahead and press next, and then we can see the total amount plus the fee, and we simply press confirm. And now you can see that in activity here we have one transaction in the line, and in about 20 to 30 seconds you will get a notification that says transaction complete, and you can see now that it has already been complete. I would also like to show you how to add other tokens to your account, and it is actually very easy. We go ahead and go into CoinGecko, and for this example we will use the EOC token that runs on the Matic network, as you can see up here under info. And here you can simply press on add to Metamask and you will get this pop-up, and then we press on add token. And if you go back to our Metamask wallet, you can see that we now have EOC in our wallet. If you can't find your token at CoinGecko or other site, you can also request to get a contract address. And a contract address is, as you can see here on CoinGecko, under info and contract, this one. And you can just click here to copy it. And then we go to Metamask wallet and press on import tokens, and then you just paste it in here, and you can see that everything else here fills in by itself, and we press on add custom token and then import tokens, and now you have the EOC also in your Metamask wallet. So sometimes transactions do get stuck, and you can see here in activity that if a transaction says pending for a long time and not getting confirmed, you can simply press on the logo up in the top right and then press settings, and then you go into advanced, and then you just press reset account. And as you can see here, resetting your account will clear your transaction history. This will not change the balances in your account or require you to re-enter your secret recovery phrase. So if we simply press reset account here, and we go back, and you can see that we have no activity left, and now you should be able to make a new transaction. If you want to track your transaction, you can first copy your wallet address up here, and after that you click on the three black dots in the top right corner and then view account in Explorer. Then a new window will pop up and you simply paste your wallet address and hit search. Here we can see the test transaction that we did, and we can also press on the transaction hash to see the status of the transactions and also see all the other details. So that's all. Now you will have a complete understanding of how to create and use Metamask wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification. Thanks for today and bye bye.